Hey guys, on this video, we're going to share with you on how we're going to maximize AI in a Go High Level account. So if you're ready, let's begin. So the first thing is let's open our account by clicking Marketing section. Once you're in the Marketing section, simply click Social Planner. On the Social Planner, you will see the following. The Social Planner, which is the calendar. You can view this as calendar or you can view this as a list. And also, you can click on this section wherein you can see the social media that is connected. Speaking of social media, you can add more social media account. And please be reminded that you can add unlimited social media account. It means that you can unlimited connect Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. Once you're on this section, you can simply connect your social media by clicking new account and then simply click Facebook account. And then it will log in to your personal account. Then click continue. And then it will ask you connect as Joey, which is your account. And then it will show you all the social media or social media pages that is connected to your personal account. You will see on this platform, on the left side is the name of the social media page. On the right side is the ad. So, for example, you want to add this page, Frederick Lake Estate, simply click add, and then you will see there that it's already connected by showing this word connected. And then close that one, and you will see here's the social media. By any chance, if you want to disconnect this social media, click the setting on the right upper corner. And then from there, you will see Facebook, click Facebook. You will see here Frederick Lake Estate, One Funnel, and Social Media Expert. For this demo purposes, I want to remove one of the pages. Let's say I want to remove Frederick Lake Estate. To remove this, just simply click delete and delete. And here you go. You already remove this Facebook page of Frederick Lake. Now, what we want to highlight on this section is that the validity. For 60 days, you need to reconnect again your social media accounts. The reason why for that is for security purposes. So after 60 days, your social media will automatically disconnected to your Go High Level account. So make sure that you are checking this time to time. And before 60 days ends, you need to make sure to reconnect your social media platform. And if you want to add Google My Business, click New Contact and select Connect Google My Business Profile. And then it will ask you again to sign in. Once you want to sign in, just simply click the email account that is with Google My Business. Click Allow, and then it will show you the social media here. Then just click again Add to connect your social media. So the same thing, if you want to add YouTube, simply click YouTube, and it will ask you to sign in your social media. It will ask you to sign in your YouTube account by clicking the right email address. So for this demo purposes, this is the email, and then click continue, and we'll ask you, Lead Connect already has some access, click continue, and then click add, and it says connected. So that's how easy to connect social media using our Go High Level account, Social Media Planner. Now that we successfully connect our social media platforms such as Facebook, Google My Business, and YouTube, the next thing that we will do is to create our posting. To do this, simply go to New Post, create New Post. On this section, I want you to select the social media platform you want to create posting. For this demo, I'm going to select my One Funnel Facebook account, Social Media Expert Facebook account, and Social Media Expert YouTube account. The next thing is to upload our media, either a video or a photo. To do this, simply click the video icon here and click upload, then select the video that you created. But double click that one and it will be uploaded on the section. Double click and it will pop up like this. Now, we were going to create social media content. If you don't know how to write content, or maybe you are so busy and you don't have time to write, I strongly suggest to maximize the AI that we have in Go High Level. To do this, simply click the AI, click Generate with AI, and type about the video that you want to create or postings that you want to create content. So for this, the video is all about email marketing, calendar, email reminder automation. You can easily set up automation, reminders, and confirmation. Okay. And now what I want to do is business name, or probably the topic. Okay. And then select the writing tool. So this is one thing that I really love with Go High Level is that you can select the writing tone. So you have several options here. You can write funny, casual, excited, professional, witty, and sarcastic. So this is something that AI can do for you. So now what I want you to do is to click excited. Then do you have option also to make it short and concise, or maybe you want to have a long form, or you want it to be 900 words, right? So depending on what you want and depends to your audience. But for this demo purposes, what I want is to be short and concise, and I want my tone to be excited, and number of variation is 3 so that I have 3 options here. So if I'm done, just click generate. So my pro tip for you is to add more description to your posting so that AI can understand what kind of posting you want and can understand your goal, all right? So for this demo, I'm satisfied with this. I'm ready to create generate. So simply click generate. And we're done. After a few seconds, we have now several content that we can choose from. So the first one, hey, get ready to revolutionize your schedule with one final high-level calendar. If you don't like that, there's another option here. Say goodbye to the missed meeting with one final high-level calendar. Setting up automated email reminder and confirmation is a breeze. Never forget another calendar appointment. Get ready to harness the power of effortless scheduling. One funnel automation, so they're already hashtag. So among the variation, 3 variations, I like the third one. So I'm going to click copy and then click continue. And now you have social media content. As I mentioned, the more descriptions, the more you explain to the AI what kind of postings, what is your goal, who are your target audience, what's the locations, what's the writing tone. So the AI can provide more comprehensive copywriting or social media postings. However, since I'm doing social media content for almost 8 years, I already created my social media content for this video. So this is the social media content that I write. And what I really love to share with you is the strategy when we are writing content. So we have 3 strategies that we always implement when we create posting for my business and for my client. The first one is the hook. The second is the body. And the third one, which is very, very important, is the call to action. So if you're going to see this, there is the hook wherein you get the attention of the viewers. And then there's a body wherein you explain what is the topic or what is the video all about. And also the most important thing is the call to action. The call to action that, hey, if you want to use this, if you want to try this, click this link, right? So that's the call to action. For this video, I have an example here. Click the link and take control of your time today. Get our 30 days free trial, capjoey.com/GHL. So this is an affiliate link. So that's my 3 strategies when we are creating content. But anyway, if you don't have a Go High Level account and you want to have this system to your business, simply click the link on the 30 days free trials. As an affiliate member, let me know and you will be able to join my community. And I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process on how to navigate and how to maximize this tool to your business. So anyway, going back to the topic, what I'm going to do is copy paste this content. I'm going to paste this one. So here you go. I already have this posting. Now, this is the most important thing. You can customize your postings from the different platforms. I'm going to show you how. Click customize for each channel. It means that I have different content writing in Facebook and I have different style writing on my YouTube channel. So here you go. So this is the video or the content and this is for my social media. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my YouTube description. And this is my YouTube content. So this is the YouTube. This is the YouTube title and descriptions that we created for this video. How to automate appointment, reminders, and confirmation in Go High Level. No more no-show. So this is the title. Copy this one. And let's go here at the very bottom. Click YouTube. So let's go to YouTube channel and scroll down here, you will be asked to enter your title here, right? So that's your title. And the next one is, let's copy this one. Are you tired of missing appointment and no-shows? In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step how to automate reminders, which is true. I'm going to show this on this video, and confirmation using the white label Go High Level one funnel. So you can focus on growing your business instead of chasing leads. Join our free weekly webinar, get free snapshots here. Go to onefunnel.net, join our Facebook group as well, and this here you go. And what I want to do is also, if you find this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more game-changing marketing tips. Drop a comment below with your questions and also the hashtag. So now I'm going to copy this space, copy and paste this. All right. And make sure that you select YouTube, and here you go. So as you can see here, I have different posting or description. On my YouTube, I have different description as well. The reason why is keywordings, and most important thing is most of the people that are watching videos on YouTube, they want to see first if this is something that is helpful for them. All right. So I think we're ready. We're ready to post this. All right. So we have title, video, and make it public. So we are ready to post this one. So we have several options here to do this. Number one is post. Post is you want this video to post right away, or you want this post to be scheduled. For this demo, what I want is to schedule this video tomorrow, which is February 19th. And I want this to be 10 in the morning Halifax time. So make sure to check the time zones of your account. So for this demo, my time zone is Atlantic Canada, which is 10 in the morning. Okay, so this is 10 in the morning. In the Philippines, that's 10 in the evening or 10 p.m. Okay, so now if we're ready, click schedule post. And you will see on this section, February 19, we have two types of posting. We have post for social media. We have two different posting, one for YouTube and one for Facebook. Now, just in case you want this posting to be posted every week, for example, just for this demo purposes, what I'm going to do is clone this one, okay, and then click the drop down arrow on the post and click schedule recurring post. So what will happen now is we want this posting to be posted every Monday, every Monday. So 4 times in a month. So what I'm going to do is select repeat every 1 week. All right, 1 week, and we want this every Monday. And I want this to start on February 24 until March 3. So I want this posting to be posted once a week, every Monday, starting from February 24 and March 25. So what will happen? March 3, 2025. So what will happen now? This posting will be posted on February 24, March 3, and that's it, right? So if you're okay with that, click confirm and schedule. All right. So this video, this social media content will be posted every Monday. And here we go. February 24 and March 3. Now, if you want to delete this one, simply click content and go to recurring. And here you go. This is the recurring post. And it says to post. If you want to delete this, simply click the three dots and click delete. And that's how easy to delete the posting. Another features that we would like to share with you with the Go High Level Social Media Planner is the statistics. On the statistics, you will see the performance of your Facebook account and other social media platform. On this video, you will see here the number of posts, the total likes, the total followers, the total impressions. So you will see the overview of your social media performance. Another thing that I really love to share with you is the social planner templates. So we already have some templates that already created for you. So let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this one, mortgage financing. So we have a 1080 by 1080. So this is the social media postings that I want to have in my platform. So just imagine this. You don't have time to write, you have AI. You don't have time to create content. We have a template for you. So for example, this is your business mortgage. Just click continue and it will adding the template for you. All right. After the import of the template, go to the template library and select social. Select the social media account where you want this template to be posted to your social media accounts. For this demo, I'm going to select Social Media Expert Facebook, and I want this posting to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I want the posting to be posted like 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. That's the time range, and one post per day. And click Schedule Post. Now, our template is ready for posting. The status right now is in review because we need to review all the posting before we schedule this one. To do this, simply click this one, review and schedule. And this is the template that is done for you. So there's a content and the graphic design here. So you will see here on the section, this is the content, this is the photo, and this is the scheduled posting, right? Now, if we want to post this on our social media, the next thing that we need to do is click import post. And it says, are you sure you want to import post? All posts will be added to the social planner. This action can't be undone. So we're going to click import. Now you will see here in the template, it says completed, right? So it means that the template is already on our social media planner. Click this one and you will see this one. So it's already scheduled here. Let's view this one. Okay. A mortgage is the key to unlocking house of your dream. Are you thinking about taking out a mortgage? Want to know more about lending services we offer? Just send an email or drop a comment down below and we'll be happy to share our knowledge. So you will see there's already a graphic design over here. So you don't need to create one. And we have also here, there's no place like home. And this is our templates that already done for you. So if you are busy, I know you're busy as a business owner, you can use this template and it's already scheduled for your business and it's super, super easy. And that's it. And if you find it helpful, consider subscribing to our channel, Social Media Expert. And if you are on one funnel, click like and follow for more because we love to share with you this powerful tool to help your business. If you don't have a Go High Level account, click the link right now and get a 30 days free trial. And if you are part of my community, I'm going to share with you my community wherein you can watch all the videos that we have for tutorial, free tutorial, and also a free webinar. Thank you very much. It's me again, Cap Joey, the founder of One Funnel, and see you in the next one.